Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the most inspiring digital marketing success stories of 2025. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So with the first success story is AI-driven content strategy by Spotify. Spotify has been a leader in personalization. In 2025, they took it to the next level by integrating AI-driven content creation into their marketing strategy. So rather relying on tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI, Spotify has integrated OpenAI's technology to power their AI DJ feature. This offers personalized commentary and music curation based on the user's preferences. So, combining AI with real time listening data, Spotify created dynamic, personalized experiences allowing users to enjoy tailored music playlists powered by OpenAI's generative capabilities. Another thing is they also launched an AI playlist feature where users can create playlists by simply inputting text prompts, and that allows the AI to generate playlists based on genres, moods, artists, and decades. Now, Spotify has made music more personal and interactive for users by adopting OpenAI's technology to deliver unique, evolving experiences. Just like what you see here on Spotify. This is actually the AI DJ or DJX. So not be able to hear exactly what this DJ is saying, but it's basically listing out all of the different songs that I was previously listening to, and it's trying to pick out all those different artists that I might be interested in. So again, this is really good, as I would say that it's resulted in some sort of engagement. Now, it actually says here that Spotify's efforts resulted in a 40% increase in user engagement and a 15% growth in subscribers, especially in 2025. Now, by using AI technology like this, they didn't just create content, but they created content that was relevant and personal to each other. Now, that improved user satisfaction and retention. Again, it is really good, especially for the audience as well. If they want a new taste of music, then this DJX can recommend something that that user might like. So what exactly can we learn from this success story? Now, this success story shows that personalization is key. The AI-driven approach enabled Spotify to provide a more customized experience, and that led to better user engagement. Now, if you can create content that speaks directly to your audience's interests and needs, you'll likely see significant results. Now, just a bit of a tip. Now, if you're not already using AI tools, doesn't have to be what Spotify is using, of course, but make sure that you're using AI tools to optimize your content. It's pretty much just time to start now. AI is able to help you scale content creation while maintaining a high level of relevance for your audience. Make sure that you experiment with AI tools out there as well. Check out personalized email campaigns and also tailored content to improve your marketing results. Now, another success story is with Nike. Now, they've got a campaign on TikTok, which was hashtag Nike She's Born. Now, this was through empowering women through football. Now, as a part of their effort to engage with fans, basically, and promote women's football during the UEFA Women's Euro 2022, the campaign featured a variety of women athletes showing off their skills both on and off the pitch. Now, Nike actually partnered with 36 TikTok creators across 6 key European markets and promoted the challenge with various TikTok ad types, including top view, end feed ads, and spark ads. You can actually see it from here as well, this video itself. So they encourage basically a lot of people to use this particular hashtag for their videos. Now, with that being said, that campaign itself encouraged those users to showcase their own talents and creativity, celebrating female athletes globally. Now, this challenge became a viral success, creating an inclusive platform for women in sports and gaining millions of views. So the reason why this is inspiring is with a reach of 7.2 billion views, the hashtag Nike She's Born campaign became one of the Nike's most successful social media initiatives, growing brand affinity and visibility by celebrating diversity, empowerment, and inclusivity. Nike connected with a broader audience and sparked a conversation around women's sports. Now, what we can learn from this is the authenticity and inclusivity that resonates deeply with the audiences. So, by aligning your campaigns with relevant causes and leveraging social platforms like TikTok, you can engage with a global audience and build a community around your brand. So, again, just a bit of a tip when you are using social media, make sure that you're collaborating with influencers. It is a pretty powerful tool for driving engagement. Now, focus on building a community around your brand and encourage authentic interactions from your audience. So, our next success story is with Domino's. Now, Domino's actually has their AI powered customer service, which is their chatbot. Now, what they did was Domino's pretty much being at the forefront of integrating AI into its customer service operations. Now, a company developed Dom, an AI-powered virtual assistant, to handle customer interactions across various platforms, including their website and mobile app. Now, this assistant utilizes natural language processing to understand and respond to customer inquiries, facilitating tasks such as order placement, status updates, and menu navigation. Now, additionally, Domino's has implemented voice ordering capabilities through integrations with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Customers can place orders using voice commands, enhancing convenience and accessibility. Now, the reason why this is inspiring is that by automating routine customer service tasks, Domino's has improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Now, the AI assistant Dom allows for 24/7 customer support, handling a wide range of inquiries without human intervention. Now, this scalability ensures that customers receive timely assistance during peak hours. Now, what we can learn from this is implementing AI-powered solutions and how it can significantly enhance customer service by providing instant responses to common queries. Now, this not only improves customer satisfaction, but it also allows human agents to focus on more complex issues, optimizing resource allocation. So again, just a bit of a tip here. Maybe consider integrating AI chatbots and voice assistants into your customer service strategy, especially to handle routine tasks efficiently. And this approach can lead to faster response times and improved overall customer experience. Now, our next one is Amazon's data-driven marketing, which is predicting customer needs. Now, what they did was they introduced a generative AI-powered SQL generator within Amazon Marketing Cloud, which is AMC. Now, this was at CES 2025. This tool advertises to create SQL queries using natural language, reducing query development time from hours to minutes. Now, advertisers can describe the desired audience segments in plain language, and the AI generates the corresponding SQL code. Now, the generated queries can be used to build custom audiences for activation across Amazon's advertising ecosystem, including streaming TV, audio, and digital channels. Now, the reason why this is inspiring is the SQL generator simplifies the process of developing targeted advertising strategies, making advanced analytics accessible to a broader range of advertisers. Now, by enabling quick creation of custom audiences, Amazon empowers advertisers to execute full funnel advertising strategies from awareness to conversion. Now, what we can learn from this is that leveraging AI is to simplify complex data, especially for certain tasks as well. It could be for advanced marketing tools as well as insights. Another thing is that natural language interfaces can make sophisticated analytics more user-friendly and efficient. So again, just a bit of a tip. If you aren't already, consider adopting AI-powered tools that translate natural language into actionable data queries to enhance your marketing strategies. But there you have it, guys. That pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.